Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to add video to green screen in CapCut for PC. For example, I'm going to add this video and this photo with the green screen, and then I'm going to make this green screen as an overlay. Just move up and just for a duration like this, and then I'm going to resize and remove the green screen. Just click chroma key and color picker. Select the green screen just for the string and set out like this, and then you can click the video and resize. You can rotate like this. Okay, it's not perfect, but I think it's just example. Sorry. Okay, just click the play button for the result. Okay, that's how to add video to green screen in CapCut for PC. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciate and share. Thanks, bye bye.